Right, I'm ready. You wanna...
Now then, and welcome to the video. We're back off our holidays and on the move. We're having a second engine test. Well, we're not really, we're just moving closer to Rufford so John, the engineer, can change that pesky little thermostat. This is only the second time we've actually been on this canal, so we're in sort of new territory and we need to really look about and see what's a suitable mooring. We also need quite good parking for myself and Debbie and for John the engineer when he turns up in his big van. Any road, let's hope it's not too far and we don't have to do too much of that reversey engine thing like we did the other day. Let's crack on.
Howdy. Sorry about him. First lock of the day and first lock on the Rufford Arm, going from, well, it's actually the second lock. There's the C lock, takes you onto River Douglas, but this is the first lock on the canal as you work your way towards the Leeds Liverpool. It's not a great day for cruising, but we've no choice, we've got to move.
No. I'll go and get my broom.
Just thinking this is a good spot here. Yeah. It's pretty low. Yeah, I don't know what's ahead of us. Onward!
Be a good spot this and all, wouldn't it? Nothing, it all fell off. Oh no! The water's getting warm, but it's not getting hot. Something's stuck. There's a little bit, tiny bit of crud in it.
Somewhere, because have you not seen all the spuds in Gormley? Back there was loads of them.
The more in front of it, yeah, there's Armco in front of it, isn't there? Well, this looks like as good a spot as any. I think we'll call it a draw for this video. Remember to like and subscribe and click that little bell icon so YouTube can mind you next time we release one. Till next time.
Make sure you got your fenders down properly,
Yeah.
just in case we bang, because you get a bit of wind straight off the field.
It's there somewhere.
Oh, I'm reliably informed that that noise is a owl. Not the train bit, the squeaky bit. There you go. Answers on a postcard if it isn't.